Hey yo, what up? It's him, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and I'm back again for the day. Excitement, excitement, happiness, happiness, profit, 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 profit. Today, no loss. No loss for me today. Even if there was, it doesn't matter. Because I'm pretty much sure we ate. Today we ate. So I was off the market soon as Gbpusd managed to hit my take profit. I was like, boom, I'm out. I'm out. What more do I want? I'm out. Before I get any further, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Ooh, always get it wrong. That notification bell and be notified every time I drop because this time I'm dropping insanely and we are winning insanely. You don't want to miss out and get to watch this video later. You're like, oh, no, it doesn't make sense. I don't care. I don't even want to watch. Turn on that notification bell. Make sure you're notified as soon as it lands. You know, make sure you get notified as soon as it lands. Without any further ado, like I said, in partnership with Xness, South Africa's best, if not Africa's best, let me just say Africa's best trading broker, Xness. Click the link on my description below. Register with Xness. Deposit as little as $10. $10. And start trading. Start capitalizing on analysis like this. Today, you could have made yourself a mere, let me see, just on this move alone, depending on how much you were willing to risk and how much you had, with $10, pretty much you can make $5 on this move. $5, a mere $5 on this move. Right? You're $15 up. Right? It's as simple as that. Deposit as little as $10, start trading. Stable, very low spreads. You can even trade US30, your preferred indice. Best indice I have ever traded in my life, and I will never trade it for any, change it or do anything for any other indice. That's the best indice ever. So make sure you do all the good stuff, register with Xness, and I trust you to do the good things. On the description below, click that link. Make sure you register, deposit as little as $10, start trading with stable and low spreads. So without any further ado, let me not waste very much time with you guys. GBPUSD, boom, I'm out. I'm out. So I'll have to remove all this now. Remove all this now. Because you see, wow, you see. So now we are trading to see what will happen next. What's gonna happen next? So we have this resistant trend line up there. So just want to see what the market will do when. So let's just wait and see what the market does because it's in this area already, right? So two things: it could be a retest, right? Because US30 is very chacharach. You'll never know. This is a support, bam, break, resistant, come back down, come back, test it again. You'll never know what's going to happen, right? You'll never know what's going to happen. So you just wait, see what happens. But here's what I'm anticipating because I know with GBPUSD, it can give you those moves. It can. but it is very in denial. So let's look at it like this, right? At this point, what are we looking at? Pretty sure most of you guys are very confused. I'm also confused, right? You have a shoot to this resistance support area, and then followed by a very huge indecisive candlestick, followed by a very small indecisive candlestick. And now the next candlestick, we don't know what's happening. So let's move on to 4 minute time frame. Let's see what's really happening here. So on a 4 minute time frame, 4 hour candlestick time frame, what am I saying? 4 hour time frame, we are seeing a push, bullish push. It's a perfect test. So at this point, I can say I'm convinced the market can shoot down with the following candlestick, right? Pretty much, pretty much, right? But first, we have to see what this candle does. So this candle, if this candle gives us an indecision, and then wait for the following candlestick, obviously on a 1 hour time frame, see if it is very bearish or what. If it is bearish, then we're ready to catch the move all the way to the downside. Right, we don't need to be scared of anything pretty much, because this is a shoot to the downside. We break this area, this candlestick breaks this area, it's coming back to test it, and then we can continue all the way to the downside. So we look for candlestick confirmations, obviously on the 1 hour time frame, simply because we understand the 1 hour time frame pretty much and easy, right? So here's what we're looking. If the market continues to play just below this trend line, then we are pretty much confirming that we are taking the sells. If the market respects this trend line in this area here, we are selling. If the market breaks above, it can break, test, and then shoot all the way up, or it can shoot all the way to this trend line right here. We'll never know. All I'm saying, if it does break, boom, wait for that retest and then catch it all the way here. Pretty nice shot, especially because it's a Friday. So that's it on Gbpusd. Let me move on to Usdjpy. So like I said, guys, I didn't really get back to the charts as soon as I closed on Gbpusd. So everything else. Oh, I did catch an entry on US30 as well. So let me remove this. Here's this. So USDJPY, because it's in USDJPY is in eh, 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 it's in the middle of nowhere. No one knows. It's on its highest high. What does it do when it gets here? We don't know, right? We don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know. So let's just wait on USDJPY. Let's just wait, guys. I'm gonna leave it for this week, and then we'll see by next week what's happening. All right. So let me move on to our USDcad. USDcad, good, 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 good. Like I did say, guys, let's just wait to see what USDcad is giving us, right? We don't need all this now, right? So, like I did say, let's wait for the markets to get to this area, see what it decides to do, so we can see that this is a very rejection to the upside, followed by a rejection to the outside. Dragonflies. Do you call them shooting stars or dragonflies? Yeah, shooting stars. So they shoot to the, yeah, shooting stars. Shooting star as a just a confirmation to for you to sell, but obviously I didn't give you that, guys. But like I said, let's wait to see what happens here, and then we'll decide after. So at this point, I'll say USDJP or USDCAD. Let's leave them. Let's leave them for now. Let's leave them for now, because I can't scale down, and pretty much I can see there's nothing really the eye catching or interesting with these two pairs. They're really giving me mountains. This is Mount Kilimanjaro or something. So last and final pair, US30. US30, yeah, like I said, I did catch a move all the way to the upside. I did catch a move all the way to the upside. Um, Let me remove this. Oh, what am I doing? Let me remove this. Okay, exactly. So I had this line right here, and that's it. As soon as the markets decide to break this area, as soon as it closed above, I caught that buy movement, right? So the market, where you the market showed up, it broke this trend line. I was like, no waiting. This is a short. It's a Thursday. I don't want to be greedy. I won't take much of my time, and then let me catch it back to this area here as a retest, obviously. But then manage you shouldn't break above that area again. So I was profitable on US30 on a 5 minute time frame. As you can see, boom, test all the way up, winning, 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 winning. So on US30, let me go to 1 hour time frame. We go all this, you out, you out, you out. So on US data, I could have just said this is a retest if we had the market playing in this area, but now the market managed to break above this area. So what we can anticipate is a test before it can actually continue all the way up, right? That's what we like to see. So in US30, it's not much, right? It's not There's not much to really consider. It's a Friday. Catch a short, man. Catch not something huge, right? A short. Uh, yeah, it depends, but I'd say take it to the nearest TP, right? Take it to the nearest TP, and I'll give you guys a weekly analysis on Sunday, pretty much, and that's it for today's video analysis, right? You guys can capitalize on GBP USD and of course US30. Let's leave out USDCAD and USDJPY for now, pretty much because we don't have a directional bias on them. We can see they're shooting up, but where are they headed to? We don't know. What are they doing? We don't know. So they're giving us mountains, they're Kilimanjaros and all that. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Right? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Show me that appreciation. I'll show you the good analysis, and make sure you register with Xmas, guys. Don't miss out on the opportunity to prove and test your skills. Just $10, you can be able to test your skills, especially for beginners. Test my strategy instead, right? Test my analysis if it works. You don't have to pay anything. Just register with Xmas, deposit as little as $10. Pretty much you can afford that. Test my analysis, test my strategy, and see if you can be profitable. And if you are, then you can scale up or just go with what you do best. And I promise you that with Xmas you can never go wrong. That's him. This is a gentleman T himself, and I'm signing out. Peace.